Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about all the dancehall artists that put up their kids and their family for Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry late Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes. And I like to see the dancehall artists giving back. This one is so-called the richest dancehall artist, and he has 4 wives. Even though I don't really believe he's the richest dancehall artist or any of that, I like that he's actually giving back. A lot more dancehall artists have given back and put up their Christmas family pictures, so I'm going to show those right now.
You like this one? Well, let's build snowman. See? Frozen. Like one?
Thank you.
One God. How old are you, baby? 5? Alright, sweetie. Happy Christmas, yeah? Alright? Happy Christmas, yeah? Lord Cavalli, son. Hey, time, just like what the Lord will.
Lots of Valentine. Merry Christmas. I know. Lots of volley all the way.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. See ya. I have them for the ladies then. I watch that. All I think them in the world have gift phone at Christmas time. For the kids them when I have not. The ones them I feel like nobody cares. Jackie will be here for you this Christmas. Merry Christmas to all the children. I'm coming to you right now. God bless you. Muslim, you know, do the Christmas thing for the kids then.
Yeah, you have to do something for the kids then.
Look at this guy. Nice leggings for you. Yeah? Oh ho ho, Santa's here. Look at him, nice Asian. You like this one? Well, let's build snowman. See? Frozen. Like one?
Thank you.
One God. How old are you, baby? 5? Alright, sweetie. Happy Christmas, yeah? Alright? Happy Christmas, yeah? Lord Cavalli, son. Hey, time, just like what the Lord will.
Lots of Valentine. Merry Christmas. I know. Lots of volley all the way.
Good.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! From a friend! I'm a family! We're over here! Have a dinner! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! I'm the party! I'm a hug! I'm a turkey! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Children say must make it in a life, you know. You see him I do it, him I do it, yeah? See? Yo, watch it. Me and him apart. And just go so boom. You see?
Remember, you got a new one in it. I'm not going to want new one. And the girl in there, tell the girl in there.
Enjoy your holidays, but please keep safe. Tell the people that you love them. Enjoy their company. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And happy holidays and happy new year when it comes. I love you guys. Deuces.